To get started, open the Windows Start menu and type Network Connections. From the search results, click on View Network Connections. A window will appear showing all of your computer's network adapters. To find your IP address, right-click on the adapter you're currently using for your internet connection. In my case, it's the Wi-Fi network adapter. From the context menu, click Status. This will open a Wi-Fi status window. Click the Details button to open the Network Connection Details window. Here, you'll be able to view your computer's IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. Alternatively, you can find the same information using the command prompt. Go to the Start menu, open the command prompt application, and type ipconfig/all. Then press Enter. This command will display your network configuration details, including your IP address. And that's it. Finding your computer's IP address in Windows is quick and simple. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.